Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the continuation process of the level design tutorial. So as you can see, I am continuing from the last part. So like I just made the road network here, some with this, okay, and the train station line, train tracks, and also I put the buildings. Okay, so it's like I'm creating a kind of little town there. So and then the next one I put the foliage, the grasses. Okay, so I put you can see here the landscape, the foliage here. If I just unhide it, as you can see, then you see this is the foliage. This is the foliage I just put, and also as you can see here, it's all around the ground, and this foliage I just may take it from the Megascan library. As you can see here, the 3D assets, the 3D plants. So it's like this is kind of the folly. Okay, this is the folly, so I just applied it. Like you can go here and you can go to the folly section. Okay, as soon as you go to the folly section, the Megascan library is automatically will be here. Or if you don't have the follies here, you need to drag and drop the follies item or meshes here, and you need to select them, one, two, like you need to select them, and then the paint mode. So in the paint mode, you will have to like this one, then you can paint like this. So here is the brush size, and here is the brush density is 1.0, so I use 1.0. And with this I painted the grasses all around the buildings. It's like a kind of a very hot environment, so I just did that, kind of a very hot weather, so very dry grass. The environment is very dry actually. So you can see they are not fully green. They are kind of like as you can see here. So yeah, they are dry actually. So I need to I tried to mimic the dry environment. So it's like this, and then I just add a next I just add the ground part, and also uh, the train line stone. As you can see here, next part is I applied the train line stone. They are looking so nice actually. You see the train line stone. So these are like you see, these are like this asset. Okay, this asset, you just need to set it here. Okay, arrange it properly. So like I did this, and I with the folder I just make this one. So as you can learn, train line asset. So as you can see, this one and this one. Okay, so by adding this, you can see the line looks good, and the line looks very natural, and the train line is like you see some portions are here and there. Okay, okay. ah so this is like a train. I find that this one is a red limestone, and quite perfect for the train line job. Okay, yeah. Then the next part is I put some props actually. So as I just unhide this one, so you can see I put some props here. So as you can see, this is I try to mimic the actual things that this kind of drum, and I arrange this one like everything you have to set it like this. You can see the pivot and all the things, so you can set it like this. So I have some barrels, I have some plastic jars, and also the mannequin for the scale, proper scale, and also the carton and all the things. I try to and the boxes, the wooden boxes, okay, wooden boxes here, and also like I said, uh, what else? The stair, and also the kind of like brick pile there, okay. So something like this I just did. And also here is that. And also I put finally I put some mountain around. So as you can see here, I just unhide this one. So as you can see here, the mountain from the scan from the mega scan library. So as you can see, the mountain, all around the mountain. So mountain puts a good job for viewing the uh, the far away scenario, okay. So I just put some mountain, and the mountain is okay with the terrain, and then it's mimicking the kind of environment, okay. So this is the next job to the mountain part. And also I just put some train tracks and all the things, and train mine. Yes, as you can see, also some sort of train mining assets is there. As you can see, I just put here some train mining assets here. So it's like mining, or kind of train trolley is there, okay. They are abandoned, so I try to mimic that abandoned look, okay. And then some furnitures also, as you can see here, some furnitures also, some benches there, and some here, the table and chairs for the passengers, or what else, the people, they are having a kind of like a time passing activities there, okay. And you have the benches also, okay. And everything I put in according to the layer, and gradually the scene is building up, okay. And then what else? Electric, okay. I put some electric components here also, like I'll try to show the electric components like this, okay. These are all the props actually. And then finally I put the these are actually you can get you can either use your assets, or you can get it from the asset store, I mean the mega scan library. So you can go to the uh, like here, you can go to the Quixel bridge. You can go to the Quixel bridge, and then you can come up with the you can drag and drop or you can download these assets, and very high quality assets you can use according to your needs. It has a very good quality assets like 3D assets. You can see here lot of 3D assets, and the community use it frequently. So these are totally free and very high quality. You can have different qualities of this, like high quality, medium quality, and low quality. So I use all of the assets is high quality actually. And then finally, I use the trees. As soon as I enable the trees, the environment got changed like this, as you can see here. And finally, I put a post-processing volume to finalize the look, as you can see here. So this is my foliage actually, the and a little bit of light and exposure correction. So if I go to the final view, as you can see here, looking very nice. And I put like this foliage over here, because this is like this kind of stuff is on the ground for a very long time, and then the grass is coming out from the from this. Okay, so as you can see here, yeah. So I just put a little bit of color correction, and yeah, it's looking good, I think. Look at this view, it's looking so nice, and also with the trees and all that, it's looking so nice actually. I put some lantern over here, as you can see. Okay, so and with the color correction and all that, so yeah, something like this. And if you so the color correction I use okay, so the post processing I use I use little bit of bloom and a global illumination, final gather, okay, red trace, reflection, okay, and this one, and also some bloom effect, some ambient occlusion, all the things is there. So I get the post processing is from here actually. You go to there and volume section and go to the post processing volume. So you can use a multiple post processing profile, but I use only one, and you have to do the infinite extend here, otherwise the post processing will not work properly. Infinite extend, you have to tick that, like here, you have to tick this should be false, but you have to tick this true. Otherwise it will not affect it in the on the scene. So as you can see, the color correction and all the things is looking quite good actually. So contracted shadow, nice contracted shadow, and also other things. Okay guys, so this is the final part. So I will come again, and this is the final part. Thank you.